Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change video background in CapCut without green screen. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. First of all, you guys have to simply open up CapCut app on your mobile phone. So after opening up CapCut app on your mobile phone, so first you guys have to just select the background of the video. Keep in mind that you just have to select the background of the video first. So in order to select the background, I'm just selecting the background. So after selecting the background, you guys have to just simply click on the overlay option and click on add. So after tapping on add, you guys have to just simply select the photo or video of which you want to change the background. So we are selecting here the video and click on add. So after adding the photo to overlay, you guys have to just simply stretch to fill the whole screen. So after selecting, you guys have to just simply swipe right the below corner and you guys will be able to see the option which is remove BG. So you guys have to just simply tap on it and here you guys have to just simply click on auto removal. And it will take some time and it will automatically remove the background of your video, or you guys can easily cut out from CapCut without even green screen. So you just have to just click on tick mark and you guys can save your video. And here you guys can see how perfectly it can edit your video background. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.